Are you looking for the best stick welder under? In this video we will look at some of the best stick welder under on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. 2020 PowerArc 140 ST IGBT 110/220V 40 amp stick welder. Everlast welders are becoming popular among proficient welders. The machines comes with numerous technological features that a welder needs. Besides, they have all the power users wants and reliability. Easy to use. Unlike other tools available on the market, Everlast has user-friendly functions and components. New users find the tool reliable and easy to use. For example, they can use the screen to record measured values and adjust them to the corresponding settings. Automatic adaptive hot start. The welder has a programmed hot start button that will assist keep your terminals from sticking while you are welding. This implies minimal splatter and reduced after weld cleaning of the piece. Mind-boggling double voltage. Probably the best feature of this PowerArc 140 ST machine. It presents a 120V/240V dual voltage ability, which permits the model to continue welding any material and virtually any place. The machine additionally flaunts a decent duty cycle, which makes it among the perfect choices for use in overwhelming welding tasks. Lightweight. It has an extremely minimal design and comes with a weight of 24.8 lbs. This makes it simple for users to carry it around and weld for a long time. In fact, for even greater portability, the machine accompanies a solid carrying case that will likewise double up as a storage box for those intending to utilize it periodically. At number 2. KICKINGHORSE A220 UL Certified Arc Welder. KICKINGHORSE is an extremely durable and excellent machine for all your welding tasks. This model is equipped with high-quality properties and materials, which makes it very durable and resistant. Well, this makes it an ideal device if you want to do heavy and light tasks. Strongest in its class, this machine has an output current of 220 amps with a duty cycle of 25% at an ambient temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. It can weld a 3/8 inch diameter plate in a single solder and weld a 3/16 rod with no problem. You can also weld materials such as mild steel, cast iron, stainless steel and hard surfaces. Safe to use. This machine has been approved for use at home and at work. This is because there are safety features that protect the user from accidents or injuries. Accompanies a UL-approved 12 AWG power cable and a US NEMA 6-50P solder plug. You do not need to replace the cable and connector to meet US security standards. Soft arc ignition. This machine has the best arc performance on rough surfaces and beats all other transformer machines on the market. At number 3. Forney Easy Weld 140 MP Stick Welder. Welding can be a pleasant operation, but it can be dangerous sometimes. It is therefore important that you buy the right welding machine. For this reason, we recommend that you purchase the new Forney Easy Weld 140 MP welding machine. Besides the price, this tool has many features that offer excellent welding performance. Lightweight. As you weld, there is a high probability that you will be moving around as you weld. Well, the company took this into account and manufactured a lightweight machine. The machine comes with a weight of 25.8 pounds. This implies that the tool is lightweight and you can carry it from one spot to another. Multi-process welder. This machine can be utilized for a wide assortment of welding methods. You can utilize it for stick welding, DCTIG welding and MIG welding. This is the reason it is known as a 3-in-1 welder. Additionally, this tool can weld a 1/4 inches plate thickness extend in a single weld. Simple to operate. Forney 140 MP is easy to operate and has a simple start feature that makes every strike simple. Besides, all the welding process is highlighted in the manual and into the device. So one can without much of effort understand the process and use the machine smoothly. The 3-position button also help users to adjust the process quickly. Updated design. Forney has improved the design of this machine. The metal casing is built to last a long time and strive through hand welding tasks. For instance, it can manage a 2 and 10 pounds rolls of wire without experiencing any problem or failure. Extra accessories: this machine comes with extra tools such as a 10-inch MIG gun, an 8-inch electrode holder, a torch wrap handle, a 15A to 20A adapter, an extra 0.30-inch contact tip, and an 8-inch clamp, etc. At number 4. Hobart 500570 Stickmate 160i Arc Welder. This Hobart Stickmate 160i Arc Welder is powerful stainless steel for the home workshop. It is designed to do any kind of welding, mastering stick welding. It has a heavy-duty design that is designed to be mobile. It has a flexible power source with the ability to plug in anywhere. It has 2 inputs, so you can use it with US power or European power. It has a 5-year warranty and weighs less than 20 pounds. The cool thing about this welder is that it has infinite amp settings control, so you can adjust the number of amps to whatever you need. This is a great starter welder for people who are looking to try welding out, or just for a hobbyist as well. You can use this machine with 1/4-inch steel plate, which isn't the best for beginners, but it is still good to know that you can weld thicker steel later. This isn't the most expensive welder on this list, but it's not the cheapest either. You get a lot of bang for your buck with this machine though, which makes up for the price. This welder also has a cool feature called hot start technology. This feature prevents your arc from ever sticking in place, which has a couple of benefits. It makes it easier to get an arc started, and it also helps reduce any damage to the workpiece that could happen from getting stuck in an arc. This is another great machine for people who are just starting out with welding, but as I said, I would get something a little bit more advanced. At number 5. PrimeWeld 160A Arc/Stick Welder. The PrimeWeld 160A Arc/Stick Welder is a multi-purpose welding machine that has the power of a stick welder and arc welder. This machine is great for beginners because it has an easy-to-use design. You can weld within minutes with little to no experience required. Even if you don't have access to a 220V outlet, this welder comes with an inverter that will handle 110V outlets too. The wire feed speed can be changed depending on how quickly you want your welds to go well, or the type of material you are working with. If you are looking for a duty cycle, it has a duty cycle of 60%, which means if you're working on a project that requires in excess of 8 hours of continuous welding, it's time to take a break. Moreover, this machine is durable and can withstand long periods of use without breaking down or malfunctioning. It has the power to weld materials like mild steel, stainless steel, and cast iron, all types of materials. Even thin sheet metals will be no problem for this unit. Also, make sure you keep this machine away from moisture or humidity, so that it doesn't rust over time. Remember that the unit comes with a duty cycle of 60%, so having it on for longer periods of time will add some strain to the machine, which may wear it out quicker. This welder is good for beginners and people with little to no welding experience. This welder has many great qualities like easy-to-use design, powerful enough to weld all types of materials from mild steel to thin sheet metals, and a 3-year warranty which includes parts and labor costs for up to 3 years from the date of purchase, except shipping,